Hello, students and parents. Good evening. This is Anubhav Sanal, Director, Universal Tutorials. I'm again here today with a video message where I wish to talk about what are UT's plans from now until the board exams. So we are in the month of October. At the outset, wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali. So I have a total of 4 messages for you. This is a message for 10 CBSE. First, UT is going for Diwali break. So our Diwali break will begin from Sunday and 23rd until 4 days, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. So we'll be on a break for 4 days. On 22nd, the Saturday, we've preponed our classes. Those classes which are happening in the evening, we've preponed them in the afternoon instead of classes happening from 4 to 8:30. So if your class is from 4:15 to 6:15, it would get preponed. 4 to 8:30 is getting preponed to 12:15 to 4:30. It will happen in the afternoon so that people get to celebrate the Dhanteras. So we are working on Saturday, but we close early on Saturday. So that's the first change which I want to talk about the Diwali vacation. Saturday early classes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days we are closed for Diwali. We restart from 27th onwards. That's the first message. Second message is about portion completion. As I talked to previously, so we are talking about maths, science. We are largely almost towards the end of portion completion. So 4 subjects, maths, science, English, Hindi, we would finish our portion in our normal weekend. जो भी हमारा weekday का जो cycle होता है evening में, वैसे by mid of November we'll finish our entire portion. So that will go the way it is. Maybe necessary कहीं पे 2 घंटे की जगह 3 घंटे की classes हो सकती हैं, or you may have some vacant slots as the position may be. Math, science, English, Hindi classes would happen in the as per the usual timings in the evening itself. As regards to SST, social studies, I realize there is some extra portion which is remaining. So we are planning at UT, that's the third message regarding SST. SST, we are planning merged online classes for 4 Sundays. These are Sundays starting from 30th of October, 6th November, 13th November, and 20th November. These 4 Sundays in the morning, we will have some extra classes for social studies across all branches, across all 10 standard CBSE batches. These will be online classes. So students need not come to the centers. These would be online classes taken by Alagej sir. This is to finish up portion completion so that we finish portion in time. SST classes will happen in weekdays also. In addition to that, there will be some extra Sunday classes. Now coming to the last part as regards to tests. So tests, we are now done with our Sunday testing. So we will now take a break from our Sunday testing. And now what we are doing in the month of November is we are opening all chapter tests. Sare chapter tests we are opening, whether you've done it or you've not done it. जो आपने दे दिए हैं वो तो खत्म हो गए. जो नहीं दिए हैं, we are opening all those chapter tests. They are available on our website. You could walk in to the center at any point of time, all 7 days a week, and say, okay, अरे मेरा ना trigonometry test नहीं दिया था, मैंने miss कर दिया था. I want to appear for that trigonometry chapter test. ठीक है, लिखिए. There are certain chapter tests which we couldn't schedule because portion जैसे जैसे चल रहा था नहीं schedule हुआ. मालूम पड़ा there is a test in English जो हुआ ही नहीं है. And you want to write that test, please go ahead and write the test. We will correct it and give it back to you. From the last week of November, we will start and we at UT will conduct full board pattern tests. And कितने होंगे ये full board pattern tests? Math, science and social में 6 होंगे. 3 subject में 6. There will be 6 full board pattern tests before you write the full exam in the month of March. So maths, science and social में 6, English, Hindi में 4. Starting from 3rd week of November. So the first test would happen in November, 2nd and 3rd in December, January 4th and 5th, and in February 6th test. By 15th February, we'll finish the mock tests, and in March, you will write the final board exam. So these are the messages very quickly. First thing I talked about the Diwali break of UT. Then I talked about portion completion. We are almost on the portion completion from math, science, English, Hindi. Third thing I talked about social studies. We are planning some extra classes on Sundays, online classes. Please make sure you note the timetable. And finally, tests. So now you have the option to appear for chapter tests on Sundays. कभी भी आके chapter test लिख सकते हैं. Plus mock tests are beginning from November onwards. So that's all from my video message. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Enjoy a very happy Diwali.